Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese dip for nachos. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 8 ounces of your favorite cheese, such as cheddar or Monterey Jack, shredded for easier melting. Also, have on hand about 1/2 cup of milk or cream and 1/4 teaspoon each of chili powder and cumin. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over low heat. Add your shredded cheese, stirring constantly until it begins to melt. Slowly pour in the milk or cream, whisking continuously to create a smooth, lump-free base. Finally, stir in your chili powder and cumin for that classic nacho cheese flavor. Keep the heat low to avoid burning. The key to a perfect cheese dip is its creamy texture. If your dip is too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 more of milk until it reaches your desired consistency. If it's too thin, you can add a little more shredded cheese and continue stirring. Remember to keep the heat very low throughout this process. Constant, gentle stirring ensures a silky smooth, irresistible dip every time. Your delicious nacho cheese dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with a generous pile of crispy tortilla chips. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with fresh chopped cilantro, sliced jalapenos, or diced tomatoes. Feel free to get creative with your cheese choices. A blend of sharp cheddar and a little cream cheese can add wonderful depth. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.